Hello everyone, this is Heather, and I'm going to teach you today how to do I call them cream puffs. What it is basically cream cheese, green onions, and crab all mixed together. And what you do is, it's so simple. I'll teach you actually how to do this, so you can do it at home too. Right in the middle like that. Fold it. Fold it. Fold it. And then pinch it. And put it on the side. I'll do a few more like this for you so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Just fold it. Fold it. Fold it. Pinch it. Here's two. These are really simple to do. It ain't rocket science. And when you're done, they'll taste delicious. There we go. There's the third one. That's what they will look like when they're all pinched up and everything. Okay. Now since I have them all on a cookie sheet, I'm going to go ahead and put them inside the oven. I have it set to 300 degrees. Pop them in, pop them in. And when they get done, they will look like this. Nice, hard, and good to eat. Just so you know that they're actually eatable, I'll eat one right now. Delicious. That's all for today. Bye.